So the other day I had the sun come up over my backyard. It hit this window right here and reflected like a magnifying glass, hitting my brand new turf and completely melted it, turned it brown. Looks horrible. And it's basically just a little perforated film that goes right over your window. So you apply it, you put it on, you squeegee it on, get it nice and clean looking. And then it basically prevents the glare to come off of your window and hit your turf. And I basically just cut it out, seamed up a new piece, and now it's great. When I did install it, I installed it in the morning when it was cool. The window was still warm at that time. Cleaned it with Windex, and after I applied it, I waited a couple hours until the sun was at its highest point and felt the window, and it was actually cooler than it was at 9 o'clock in the morning. So it's a great product. I've had it for a few days now, haven't had any issues. There's no more sun glaring off the window and hitting my turf. So 5-star review, great product.